Right then, welcome to this video help sheet on creating styles for hyperlinks. Now in your web page, I'm sure you're going to have some text hyperlinks. You can see from my page here is one here, and they're not very exciting. They're an underlined text that shows you there's a link to a web page. It's normally the same color as your text, and when you click on it, it goes a slightly different color. Not at all exciting. But I found this really good help sheet on 3 schools that allows you to change the styles of your hyperlinks. So the original hyperlink called the link, what happens when you visited it, when you hover your mouse over it, and the moment that it's clicked. And it shows you how to change not just the color of your hyperlink, but also whether you want an underline or not, and also even if you want a background color. So I'm going to show you how to do this for this particular link here. So to do that, I need to go into the code, and I'm going into my software, which is slightly different from yours, and I'm on my style sheet. So I'm going to type in the code that I want to use for this, and I'm just going to do it for 2 things. I'm going to do the link, and I'm going to do hover. So A, colon, I'm just reading from that help sheet, and then link, then a new line, then the wiggly curve, new line, and then what do I want? I want the color, and I have no idea what this is. I'm just going to make up some numbers. You might want to check this. So FF00FF. There we go. Make sure my semicolon is there. New line. I'm going to choose text decoration, and I'm going to make sure it's none, so there is no underline. And then I'm going to have a background color for some reason. There we go. Background color. And I'm going to choose again, I'm just going to make these up. You should really go and check and choose the color that you want. Like that. And then I'm going to go and save my style sheet. Let's just have a quick look at it. So this is me changing the original link, its color, its underline, and its background color. So let's go to my page. Let's refresh it. And there you go. Can you see that the original link, the underline has gone, the writing is now a kind of pinky color, and it's got a green underline. So that's me changed the properties of the link. What about changing the properties when I hover over it? Well, let's go back into my code, and this time I'm going to add in the code for, I'm going to add in the code for a hover. Same again, new line, put in my wiggly bracket, space, and I'm going to change the color of the text. So I'm going to have mine go, I have no idea, let's try that. And I'm going to keep the text decoration off, so let's change the background color like this. And again, I'm just making these up. Let's choose FF0000, like that. Make sure I've got my wiggly bracket to close with. And this time go back and save this style. So this is the style for hovering over. Let's go back to my page and update it. So hovering over is when I move my mouse over it. And look at that. That's kind of cool, isn't it? So it's gone from a yellow, or from green to red background and pink to yellow text. So those are 2 styles that I have chosen. I've done link and hover. You could play about with visited and active. And I'll put the link on the wiki. Good luck.